So if you were to use the large arrangement that we've created today as your focal sort of wow factor when you've got friends coming into your house for perhaps a party or something similar, you could then create smaller versions, perhaps to link in the theme, perhaps placing on the mantelpiece or on occasional tables or somewhere similar. So we're just going to do a much smaller, more simple version of the large arrangement that we've created with the leftover flowers. Okay, so we have 3 stems of the lucky bamboo, which I'm actually going to wind into each other. Like so on those 2. And then this one's going to stand a little bit proud. So they're all, as you can see, slightly linked to each other. Just make sure the stems are nice and long. And I'm going to add my Calla Lily. Again, I'm threading that through, which will actually give it a little bit of extra support. So you can see how we are gradually building up that shape. Again, keeping it very much in a linear format. And the last 2 so on. Then just bringing the last 2 Aspidistra leaves around. I'm just going to tie that with raffia. Now you can tape it with the pot tape as well if you want to be extra secure. Lay it down just to finish the tying. Nice and tight. So as you can see, by doing that you have a huge amount of options on how long a stem you can use, on how long a vase you could use. You could use a 60 centimetre lily vase if you wanted to. I'm going to use this little vase. So just measure where the flowers are going to be in the container and just cut the stems accordingly. Get rid of my stems. And there you have a mini version to add to Big Brother. But thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to go and visit our website, that's www.trianglenursery.co.uk, you will find that all of these varieties of flowers are available in other colours. So you might not find that the yellow and the gold works for your colour scheme, but there are numerous varieties available. So yeah, enjoy and have fun. Thank you for watching.